If you can figure out your passion, there's nothing like it. If you can't and you're as confused as I was a couple of years back, then don't worry.
Don't worry too much about it. Alright, it is going to pass.
Find what you're good at and stick to it.
I actually wanted to do physics, so the same course was there in ISC also. So I just compared the two universities, and ISC was a higher rank in education and science, so that's why I chose ISC.
And to look at it even in the long run, as more universities are going towards the more dynamic process of accepting students irrespective of their board scores and focusing more on the overall personality of a student. So I think extracurriculars really go a long way.
The skills that I learned at school of presiding over a group of people came in very handy.
I would suggest them not to go with all three sciences because it's a really challenging thing. And I know that's a requirement in India that you need all three sciences in order to apply for a medical college. But if you're applying abroad, I would suggest it to look at the university's requirements.
One thing to note is that Christ results release way before any other university. So you can get clarity whether you want to go to Christ or any other universities. Don't stress yourself out about your future, right? At your age, none of us knew what we wanted to do.
You can't do anything if you don't do self-study.
Just follow your heart, don't be bogged down by what your parents want you to do or what people want you to do or what you think you should do to earn more money.
Just be relaxed, be calm, don't worry too much, but still be focused and do your research thoroughly.
Read, discover, explore.
These other learnings which you get from literature and political science make you a more informed, a more well-rounded person.
Whatever arrogance and ego you have, you need to get rid of those to be able to survive in the real world, in the real colleges.
Scottish High has been very, very special to me. It makes me very proud that I was a part of this school. Just the environment at Scottish High was again a lot like a family. We were all very driven to just accomplishing things for the school as a community.
Interest in economics would actually come from my 9th grade teacher in economics, Mr. Premraj Panda. He used to just tell us about these laws of demand, supply and all that. And that was what sparked my interest in economics.
I was in the second batch of the school, and I've seen the kind of achievements that the school has had over the last couple of years, be it in terms of being the best school in East Delhi to having international collaborations.
The message I have from my school is a big thank you. The school was very supportive in whatever I wanted to do.
My teachers in school definitely made me interested in my subject, right? Miss Nagala, my economics teacher, Miss Rajni, my business studies teacher, Mr. Santosh, my accountancy teacher. They set foundations for me to learn these subjects at a higher level. They also showed me that I have a great aptitude for these subjects.
I would be glad if children who are studying today can gain something from the experiences which I've had over the last couple of years.
I would definitely like to help my junior because I really wish there was someone like this for me, right? To tell me where to go, what to do, like where to live, what to write in my applications.
I'd really love to have people reach out to me. I mean, I could help them out in different ways. If you want to know how to study, I could help you out in that.